The Royal Academy presenting TNPsc Group 1 for DEO 2023 preliminary exam. This is Unit 8, Part 4. Who was the father of Renaissance? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Dr. Tnpsc's greatest achievement in India was formation of Home Rule movement. Gopalakrishna Gogale's name is associated with servants of Indian society. Satya's Prakash was written by Dayanand Saraswati. The fame of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was due to the ALIGARG movement. The ALIGARG movement was the push to establish a modern system of Western-style scientific education for the Muslim population of British India. During the later decades of 19th century, the movement's name derives from the fact that its core and origins lay in the city of Aligarh in central India, and in particular with the foundation of the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in 1875. The founder of the Oriental College and the other education institutions that developed from it was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He became the leading light of the wider Aligarh movement. Who is known as father of BHOODAN movement? Vinoba Bhave. Swaraj Party was founded by Motilal Nehru and R. Das. Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The founder of Arya Samaj was Swami Dayananda Saraswati. A person who fought against Sati was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who started self-respect movement? It is E.V. Ramaswamy. Arya Samaj, it's a Sanskrit word meaning society of nobles. Arya Samaj is a vigorous reform movement of modern Hinduism founded in 1875 by Dayananda Saraswati, whose aim was to re-establish the Vedas, the earliest Hindu scriptures, as revealed the truth. He rejected all later accreditation to the Vedas as degenerate, but in his own interpretations included much post-Vedic thought. The Arya Samaj has always had its largest following in western and northern India. The BHOODAN movement means BHOODAN. It's a gift of land. The land gift movement, also known as the Bloodless Revolution, was a voluntary land reform movement in India. It was initiated by Gandhian Vinoba Bhave in 1951 at Pochampalli village, Pochampalli. The BHOODAN movement attempted to persuade wealthy landowners to voluntarily give a percentage of their land to the landless people. Philosophically, Bhave was influenced by Savodaya movement and Gram Swarajya. Who founded Theosophical Society? It is Tnpsc. Madam Blavatsky belongs to Russia. Helena Blavatsky, she born on August 12, 1831 in Ukraine, Russian Empire. Died May 8, 1891 in London, England. She is a Russian spiritualist, author and co-founder of the Theosophical Society to promote the Theosophy, a pantheistic philosophical religious system. The political awakening in India began with Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Radhakrishna Mission was founded by Vivekananda. Radhakrishna Mission, founded by Vivekananda in 1897, is a humanitarian and spiritual organization which carries out medical, relief and educational programs. Both the organizations have headquarters at the Belur Math. The mission acquired a legal status when it was registered in 1909 under Act 1011 of 1860. Importance of the year 1942 was Quit India movement. Swadeshi movement means boycotting the foreign goods and the use of Indian goods. The Caliphate movement was started by Ali brothers. Caliphate movement was a pan-Islamic force in India that arose in 1919 in an effort to salvage the Ottoman Caliph as a symbol of unity among the Muslim community in India during the British Raj. Indian national movement has similarity of approach with the national movement in South Africa. Who founded Swaraj Party? It is C.R. Das. Chauri Chaura incident took place in the year 1922. Chauri Chaura is a town in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. On 4th February 1922, this town witnessed a violent incident. A large crowd of peasants set fire on a police station that killed 22 policemen. Due to this incident, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement during 1920 to 1922. Reaction of Mahatma Gandhi. He condemned the crime of the policeman's killing. The volunteer groups in nearby villages were disbanded, and a CHURA support fund was set up to demonstrate genuine sympathy and seek atonement. Gandhi decided to stop the non-cooperational movement, which he saw as having been tainted by unforgivable violence. He bent the Congress Working Committee to his will, and on 12th February 1922, the Satyagraha movement was formally suspended. Vande Mataram slogan was coined by B. Chandra Chatterjee. Swaraj is our birthright. We shall have it. Who said this? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. After Jallian massacre, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood. Recently, the Prime Minister paid tributes to people killed in Jallian massacre in 1919. He asserted that their unparalleled courage and sacrifice will keep motivating the coming generations. 13th April 2022 marks the 103 years of the incident. Earlier, the Gujarat government marked 100 years of the Baldevat killings, calling it a massacre bigger than the Jallian Bagh. Jallian Bagh is a historic garden and memorial of national importance close to the Golden Temple complex in Amritsar, Punjab. India preserved in the memory of those wounded and killed in the Jallian Bagh massacre that took place on the site on the festival of Baishakti 13 April 1919. Jallian Bagh massacre is also called Massacre of Amritsar, was an incident on April 13, 1919, in which British troops fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians in an open space known as the Jallian Bagh in Amritsar in Punjab. Now, the Jallian Bagh site in Amritsar is now a national monument. It killed several hundreds people and wounded many hundreds more. It marked a turning point in India's modern history in that it left a permanent scar on Indo-British relations and was the precursor to Mahatma Gandhi's full commitment to the cause of Indian nationalism and independence from Britain. What is the Jallian Bagh massacre? The Jallian Bagh massacre or the Amritsar massacre of 13th April 1990 accounts for the gruesome execution of hundreds of innocent people by the Gurkha British Indian Army on the orders of the Anglo-Indian Brigadier R.E.H. Dyer. These people were protesting peacefully against the Rowlatt Act 1990. What was the Rowlatt Act 1990? During World War I, 1914 to 18, World War period is between 1914 to 1918, the British government of India enacted a series of repressive emergency powers that were intended to combat subversive activities. In this context, this act was passed on the recommendations of the Sedition Committee chaired by Sir Sidney Rowlatt. It gave the government enormous powers to repress political activities and allowed the detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. This is Royal Academy. Thank you so much for watching.